Hi everyone, welcome to FinTech Academy. This is Hirsch. Today I will show you the COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. All right, let's get started with that. The COUNTIF function. COUNTIF is an Excel function to count cells in a range that meet a single condition. COUNTIF can be used to count cells that contain dates, numbers, and text. The syntax for COUNTIF is equal to COUNTIF, and within parentheses we give a range, comma, the criteria. All right, so let's have a look live in action in Excel how the COUNTIF function can be helpful. Right guys, so I am in Excel over here, and this is a data sheet which is for type of phones sold for the week 1. There are different columns. First is the date column, the type of phone sold, and the color. And we want to do some analysis. We want to find out that what color of phones are sold the most. Now this is a small little Excel data sheet, right? Just about 17 rows in there. But imagine if this Excel sheet had maybe hundreds, maybe 500 rows over here. To find like a black color phone, how many we sold, or like a gold, how many we sold, that could be a challenge. That's where the functions can kick in. So I'm going to show you over here, like the COUNTIF. So I'm going to say equal to COUNTIF like this, and it says count the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. So let's give a first of all a range. So the range is right over here. I'm going to select from this to this, mean to say from C4 to C20 in my example, right? And then I'm going to mention comma, as we can see over here, and I'm going to mention over here let's say black. So black color phone, I want to find those. Close the parentheses and press enter. There you go, we got the answer right away. 4, 1 the black, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So that's how easy it is to use that function and get the answer on that. So I can prepare a nice little sheet over here, color, and I can mention over here number of phones sold like that. So I can say black, that's what it is. Let's say gold, if I want to find out, once again equal to COUNTIF into bracket. I'm going to give the range starting from C4 so till C20, comma, I'm going to say gold over here and close the parenthesis, press enter. There you go, that's my answer, that I have 3 of those which are gold over here. So that is one of the functionalities that we can use for the COUNTIF. Using COUNTIF we can get an answer. The next, let's see, we want to find out the type of phones that we have sold. So if I type in over here like these, the name of the companies, right, and I want to find those, then I'll give once again equal to COUNTIF. Then I'm going to give the range on this column, which is B4 to B20, and I'm going to type over here, let's say Apple over here, and close the parenthesis. It's going to give me the answer right away, that how many are sold for the Apple. If I want to do for, let's say, one more, which is the next one, Samsung, again I'm going to give the range over here, and type in over here that I want to look for Samsung devices, how many we have sold, and we're going to get an answer on that. Of course we can give a nice little title on that, and that is how we also can pull up the information from another column. Right, let's see a little bit more advanced usage of this COUNTIF function. Let's say we want to find out all the fonts that are sold by color that is starting with the letter B. So once it starts with letter B, that's what I want to find out. What I'm going to do over here, again, I'm going to type in COUNTIF into bracket, range we will give. So we're going to focus on the color like this, and I'm going to say over here that I want to start anything with starts with letter B, so I'm going to say B, and then I'm going to use the wild character. So the wild character is asterisk. That's what I'm going to tell Excel over here, that anything that starts with the first letter is B, I want to get irrespective after that whatever it is. So as soon as I push that, it's going to tell me 6, black, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have black and blue, and right away we have got the answer that you can find anything which starts with the letter B. I have used the wild character, and the wild character is the asterisk symbol. So after the first letter I put that, so Excel has got it, that hey, you know what, anything starting with B and following with whatever characters it is, doesn't matter, just give and throw the output on that. The same way, let's say we want to find out for the colors with of phones that we sold with that ends with let's say letter K. Okay, so if I want to do that, once again I'm going to say COUNTIF, and into bracket I'm going to give the range over here, starting from black to silver on the top, again 17 rows, and I'm going to say over here from starting ending with K. So beginning I want to put the while character, that is asterisk, and then K after that. So we are basically telling Excel that anything that is in the beginning, forget about that, but I want it with ending with letter K. And as soon as I press enter, we got 6 again. If you see, there's black, okay, 1, again a black 2, again a black 3, then there's a pink 4, then there's a pink 5, and probably I misread one black. Yeah, right over here there is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 blacks and 2 pinks, and that's how the letter the number becomes 6. All right, so let's say I will look at one more condition, that we would like to get all the phones which have the second character as the letter I. So let's say I want to find any color which has the second character as letter I. I'm going to use the COUNTIF again and give the criteria over here like this, and when I do that, thereafter we want the second character to be the letter I. So what I'm going to do, I can use a question mark over here, and then there's I like this over here, and then I can use a combination of, let's say, asterisk like this, and close the parentheses, and I have the answer, which is 7. So second letter is I, so silver. 1, 2, yes. 3 is also silver. 4 is also silver. Then we have 5, which is pink. 6, which is pink, and 7, that is silver. So here I have used another white character, which is a question mark and a star together as a combination. All right, so let's say one more scenario. Let's say in this color I would like to get all the fonts or all the colors which is having the letter E as the 5th character. So we are looking as 5th character for the letter E to find that. So if we are looking for something like that, then again COUNTIF can be helpful. So COUNTIF into bracket, we give the range, whatever it is, right? And then I'm going to use the while character, which is a question mark. So that means we are telling Excel that the first 4, whatever it is, doesn't matter, but the 5th one should be E. That's what I'm looking for. And then ending could be anything that we don't care about that. So basically we are focusing only on the 5th character in this situation, right? So I mentioned 5th over here, and let's say I'm going to close that with a question mark, or I can also use an asterisk over here like this, and then press enter. There you go, we have 5. So 5th is silver in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So basically, the Excel can help us with the count function, which is very helpful with all these different combinations. Alright guys, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please like our video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also let me know in comments what would you like to see in future videos, i.e. Harsh, I want to see this video, or Harsh, can you make a video on this topic for accounting and bookkeeping, QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Online, Microsoft Excel, Canadian Income Tax T1, Canadian Income Tax T2, or Canadian Payroll. Alternatively, you can also visit us at fintechsolutions.ca for our courses. Thanks for stopping by.